Dear children, welcome to 12th Mathematics. Today we will study elementary operations or elementary transformations. What we do in this one? We make operations on a given matrix using rows or using columns. We can use rows, you can use columns. We will do operations on rows, we will do operations on columns also. Dear children, if we do this, we are able to solve questions from exercise 3.4, and this question comes in board examination. So this is very valuable class. I suggest you to be very alert, listen very carefully, don't go away mentally. You are physically present, but you must be present here physically as well as mentally. Dear children, let us start our class of elementary transformations or elementary operations or transformation, whatever you call it, no problem. Dear children, we will be using this for rows as well as columns, but in one question we will use rows, and you can use columns and columns. First of all, we are going to learn what are the rules. Dear children, there is rule 1. Rule 1 is telling us that, see, I have taken one matrix 1, 2, 0, 5. First column is 1, 2, second column is 0, 5. See, this is the rule. Ri is interchanged with Rj. Ri and Rj. Here I and j can be any number. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 2, it can be 3, as per the requirement, as per the situation. So dear children, it means that we are interchanging two rows. You can interchange any two rows. Take two rows and interchange them. For example, see, we can take this. R1 is interchanged with R2. Means in place of R1 we will write R2, and in place of R2 we will write R1. See this. 1, 0 is row 1. So I have made it R2. See this. And here 2, 5 is R2. Row number 2. Row number 1, row number 2. So row number 2 has been made first row. So this is one rule. You can take any row, two rows, and you can interchange that one, both. Here we have taken 2 cross 2 matrix. If you take 3 cross 3 matrix, you will be having more options. You can interchange R1 with R2, R1 with R3. You can interchange R2 with R3, like that. So whatever the situation is there, you remember first rule, we can interchange any two rows. Also, it can be for columns also. If you understand, here I have written for rows, but it is true for columns also. Okay, you can take two columns also, you can operate as we are doing for rows. Now going for rule 2. Dear children, rule 2 tells us that Ri, you are operating with Ri. How you are operating? You are multiplying by k. K is not equal to 0. K, you take any number and you multiply with any row. Ri represents any row. It can be R1, it can be R2. Here we have taken one example. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So Ri, I am taking here R1. We can take R2 also, but for understanding we are writing R1. We are operating 7 into R1, means row 1 is multiplied by 7. Row 1 is multiplied by 7. So see this. This is row 1, 1, 0. We are multiplying by 7. You can take any number here, a scalar number other than 0. We are not taking 0. See here. So we are multiplying by 7. So here row 1 is 1 0 multiply by 7, both 1, 7 into 1, 7 into 0. And see, we are operating to R1, so R2 we are not doing anything, we will write as it is, R2 as it is, see. So it becomes 7025. This is rule number 2. This is the standard form. Here also this is standard form, or you can say general form. This is operated for columns also. If you write Ci and here you write K into Ci, K not equal to 0, no problem. Whatever we are learning for rows, it is true for columns also. If you are using for rows, it is called row transformation, row operations. And if you are operating on columns, you will call it column operations. Now see this. Rule 3. Only 3 rules we have to use. Only 3 rules. Third one is, see, Ri operating Ri plus K into Rj. Means you take any row and in that row you add another row multiplied by something. Not equal to 0. That K here also it will not be equal to 0. So you can take any number other than 0. See this. We are operating here this matrix R2 plus 3R1. So R2 plus 3R1 means you take row number 2 here, 2, 5, and in that one you multiply R1 multiplied by 3. So let us see this. This is 1025. R2 we are operating, so R1 we are not doing anything. So write R1 as it is, 10. Now this, see, R2 plus 3R1, 2, and row number 1 take 1, you multiply by 3. Here if it is 4, you will write 4. If it is 5, you will write 5. Whatever number you can take as per the requirement. Here it is 0 as it is, row 1 is as it is, so we are operating in row 2. See, 5 here, it is the element of R2, and you will multiply by 3 to the element of R1. So 5 plus 3 into 0. And this we can write 1, 0, and this is 3 plus 2, 5. 3 into 0 is 0 and 5, 5. Dear children, we have understood 3 rules. Now summarize these 3 rules. We have done R1, R2 interchanging. You will write this symbol R1, R2. Means in place of R1 you are writing R2, and in place of R2 you are writing R1. Here we have done R1 operation is 7 into R1. Whatever the number we can take, you can take any other number also. It is, for example, we have taken 7. You can do also 9 into R2, whatever you like, as per the situation. R2, here we have taken for R1, here we have taken for R2. You can take any row. Here R2, you are going here, just above 1. For example, we have done R2 plus 3R1 here. See, you can take other thing also. R1 you can add 4 into R2. Whatever the number you take, you can do yourself as per the situation. So this is the rule. Total 3 rules are there, and remember these 3 rules are applicable for row as well as columns. Okay, in the next video we will solve questions. Okay, thank you.